Hello everyone, and welcome again. In this quick video tutorial, I explain to you how to create a shortcut on the desktop for Windows settings, as all the settings that you want to change in the Windows 10 operating system are in the settings such as system language, devices, network and internet, personalization, applications, accounts, time and language, and games. Ease of access, privacy, updating and security. And if you use the settings frequently, it is better to create a shortcut on the desktop. Let's start quickly. The first thing you need to do is right-click on any empty space on the desktop. And from the menu, click on New, and then click on Shortcut. Then enter the location for the Windows 10 settings, as it appears in front of you on the screen, and I will leave it for you in the video description. Then, click on the next button to continue, and here enter an appropriate name for this shortcut. It is often better to call this shortcut settings. And finally, click on the Finish button. Once this step is completed, the shortcut will be created on the desktop. You can also change the icon for this shortcut. Right-click on the shortcut and from the menu click Properties. Then click on the Change Icon button, and write the path that appears in front of you on the screen to display many available icons. Select the icon that you deem appropriate for this shortcut and click on the OK button. Thus, the shortcut to settings was created on the desktop. This will save you time and effort instead of opening the Start menu or searching for Windows settings in the search bar. You can now simply double-click on the shortcut. I hope the video is useful to you. Thank you for watching. And I also hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.